I would say the biggest thing is you kind of just have to persevere through it. There is ups and downs for sure. I've had a lot in the sport. I just try to stay positive with it all, you know. You fall off, you just got to shake it off, and then you come back better the next time. Major League Show Jumping is a big focus in North America right now, and it brings the level of competition up because you have people coming from Europe, Mexico, all over the world.
Right now we are here at Thunderbird Show Park. Friday nights, it's always what we call the qualifier for the big Grand Prix that happens on Sunday. So this is a super important piece. It's a really big class. They're jumping at 1.50 meters in height, as well as the custom branded Fobi jump that they're all going to be clearing.
I think it's exciting to be able to get Fobi out there and really let people understand what it is.
It'll be really exciting to see how her and Havana do, and I think that's one of the cool things of the bond between Havana and Kassidy as well. That level of trust plays a big part in some of these predicaments and moments of rounds here, and she's riding to win, and that's the thing that I admire about her.
She does not leave anything on the table. She goes fast and she goes hard. It's so cool to watch such a young female professional really give it in the ring.
I like to go big or go home, so I'm kind of aggressive with it, and Havana's a bit lazy, so you gotta jazz her up. I usually try to take some time for myself before I jump a big class on Havana, but when it comes down to walking up to the ring, and I've prepared all week, my whole life, I've been working towards, you know, that moment. I have a great group of people around me and great support. You know, when you jump a big Grand Prix and you've jumped double clear and you're at the top of the leaderboard, it's an amazing feeling. You know, if something goes wrong on course, just dig deep and keep going. Keep doing it every day because of the horses, and I love the sport.